Today, I will show you how you can make money doing what you love. Your hobbies. Yes, you heard me right. We can turn your late night passion into cash. You will want to hear this because the last one might surprise you. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let's get started. In today's video, I'll share with you 5 easy online jobs for beginners to make money online from today. Yes. So welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today I'm sharing something super exciting for all of you beginners out there looking to make money online. If you're ready to start earning money from the comfort of your home, stick around because I've got 5 easy online jobs that anyone can do. So let's jump right in. The first one on my list here is virtual assistant. Yes, guys. First up is the role of a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you help businesses and entrepreneurs with tasks like scheduling, email management, social media, and so much more. This job is perfect for beginners because it requires minimal experience, and you can find clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Now, stick around. I have a vital information at the end of today's video, and I'm also doing a giveaway, cash giveaway at the end of today's video. So to get started on Fiverr, create a profile highlighting your organizational skills and any other relevant experience. You'll be surprised how quickly you can find clients. The next one on my list is to become an online tutor. Guys, if you excel in a particular subject or a skill, please consider sharing your knowledge with other people. I mean, there are websites like VIP Kid, like tutor.com, like Check Tutors. They connect you with students in need of help. You can teach them anything from languages to maths or even music. You can set your own schedule and rates and make it a flexible option for earning money while helping others to succeed. Besties, the third one on my list is become a freelance writer. Yes, you heard me right. If you have a passion for writing, there are countless opportunities out there. There are many websites and businesses that are looking for blog posts, articles, and website content. You can also find gigs on platforms like ProBlogger, like Fiverr, or even directly pitch to companies. You can start by creating a portfolio of writing samples, even if they are just practice pieces. I'm telling you, you can use it to showcase your skills to potential clients. Now, the next one on my list here is to do online surveys. Guys, you know, I did a survey and I was paid $600 by a company. I'm telling you, you can earn money through online surveys because companies are willing to pay you for your opinions, and there are several legit platforms out there like swagbox.com, like surveyjunkie.com, like inboxdollars.com, where you can sign up and start earning. I mean, it is an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Now, one thing you can do to multiply your earnings is to join multiple survey websites to maximize your earning potential and watch out for daily surveys. Yes, so the next thing you can do here is to sell products online. Guys, there are lots of platforms where you can sell your products online. You can sell items that you no longer need, or you can create handmade goods to sell on platforms like Etsy, like eBay, like Facebook Marketplace. And if you have a knack for crafts, it can be a fun and profitable venture for you. Here is the quick for those of you that want to sell those stuffs. Take quality photos, yes, and write detailed descriptions of your products to attract buyers. Then go ahead and promote your listings on social media for added exposure. So guys, can start earning today. There you have it, guys. 5 easy online jobs for beginners to start making money today. So whether you want to be a virtual assistant, a tutor, a writer, you want to take surveys, or you want to sell products, there is something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, you know how we do it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more money making tips, and let me know in the comments which job you're most excited to try. So besties, as for the virtual assistant opportunity, I've been getting a lot of comments here in on my channel on a course. Yes, so I have created a course on how to become a virtual assistant. So find the link in my description. Once you take that course, I can assure you, you can become you're going to level up your game as a virtual assistant. By the way, I also have a virtual assistant that posts for me on my social media platform. So yes, you can make money easy anywhere you are in the world. I can even hire you. Yes, let's do business. Yes, I'm even looking to hire, by the way. I need more virtual assistants. So yes, take the course and be sure you can perform. Yes, up to standard. And yes, you can also contact me when you are done taking the course, and let's see if the role is still up for grabs so that I can hire you for my next role. So guys, there you have it. And now at this point, I'm doing a giveaway. Yes, I'm doing a giveaway. I don't know if I remember to mention it in the beginning. So yes, if you made it this far, it is your luck. Congratulations to you. I'll be giving away $100 cash gifts to you guys. Yeah, so all you need to do is this: join my Telegram community. We have launched our Telegram community. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Yeah, and add 50 of your friends into my Telegram community, and yes, I'm going to transfer this cash to you through the phone. You're just gonna have the cash out. So yeah, take it. So yes, I'll actually send it to you through Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, or Western Union Money Transfer, or World Remit or something. So I'll transfer it to you anywhere you are in the world. So all you need to do is add 500 of your friends. Send my link to 500 people or 1,000 people, and hopefully 10% of them will join my Telegram community. Once you have 50 people or more, then come back to this video. It's super easy. Let me know in the comments, hey Miriam, I have added 50 people to your Telegram community. So yes, you need to also communicate my value proposition. Tell them these are the things that they should expect when they join the Telegram community. It's not just a group that posts gossip and stuff like that. We are sharing valuable resources, various ways to make money online, and I will not spam you, I promise you. Yeah, so add your friends. Tell them this is a group that they will not regret joining. That's how you get to do it. Tell them to join, tell a friend, also encourage them to add their friends, and you can use that as part of leverage on their own relationships and win my free $100 cash gift. I'm sure this can fuel your tank, right? Yeah, so that's it. So go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to transfer this money to you. So yes, if you're new to this channel, by all means, I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. If you're new here, please make sure that you also check out my previous videos and start to watch those videos and start to take advantage of all the resources that I've been sharing. And let me know which of these methods you'll be trying out today. Yes, I mean it when I say that, today. And because I'm rooting for you guys, I really want you guys to win. Your win is my win. And when you start earning using all of these strategies I've been sharing on my YouTube videos, come back to this video and let me know so that I can also cheer you up and support you. So besties, if you are new here, introduce yourselves. And yes, while you're introducing yourself, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share with you various ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Do not forget, here on this channel, we are only winning. There's nothing like, we're not settling for less on this channel. Yes, I also shared in my previous video websites where rich people just give away free money. Yes, so if you have not checked out that video, please make sure that you check it out real quick and start to apply as quickly as possible. Yes, I shared websites where people are giving away Christmas gifts, yes, for you and your kids, so make sure that you check out my previous video. Do not miss out on it. And I'll also be sharing 10 websites where rich people give out money. Yes, where rich people give away money for free. I'm telling you, where wealthy and rich people give away money for free. So watch out for the video on this channel. If you have not turned on the notification bell, my God is watching you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, yes, my God is watching you. Okay guys, in my next video I'll share with you how you can get a free $4,000. So make sure that you stay connected, stay tuned on this channel. And of course, if no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves and good express, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye for now, love you.